would you describe it?
I would say it's pretty amazing. Nothing like I have ever had before.
Wow, it's totally transformed the apple. It's very sweet.
Yeah, I love Granny Smith, mainly because they're tart, but this took away all that.
It feels like someone just coated it with sugar.
Really enhances the natural orange taste and just takes it to that extra level of satisfaction.
Wow. The fruit flavors, they're so enhanced now, so much better.
Normally I don't put lemons in my water because it's just like a little too bitter and tart for me. That does not taste like lemon water at all.
And it tastes like I just made lemonade.
Yeah, that was like lemonade. Didn't taste sour at all.
There's no harsh taste. It kind of balances itself out.
Wow, I used to put a lot of sugar in my smoothies, but this tastes a lot better with no sugar.
Do you usually drink red wine? What do you think about red wine on its own?
I like red wine, I usually like white.
I don't. I think it's too bitter, so I'm not a fan of red wine.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Wow, there's like no bitterness.
Also very sweet, not bitter at all.
What other kind of foods do you think you'd want to try it with?
Use it with salad, fruit salad, anything that's just kind of bland. This will definitely take it to the next level.
MiraBurst is made from all-natural miracle berries. The MiraBurst Miracle Berry is the only taste-modifying berry in the world that offers a naturally enhanced, clean, sweet taste to any sour or tart food or drink. The pulp of the berry contains an active substance that activates the taste buds and tricks the mind to perceive sour or tart as sweet. Simply use MiraBurst before all your sour or tart fruit smoothies, green smoothies with berries, fruit salads, unsweetened yogurt parfaits, lemon water, and even apple cider vinegar and lemon water. You'll appreciate the naturally enhanced, clean, sweet taste sensation. It's perfect for diabetics, pre-diabetics, weight-conscious individuals, and anyone following a low-sugar lifestyle. Visit MiraBurst.com today to claim a special offer on your first order, because when it comes to MiraBurst, you need to try it for yourself to appreciate the miracle of nature.